A-frame panel trucks are ideal for moving sheets of plywood and heavy materials through hardware stores and manufacturing plants. Constructed of heavy-duty 12-gauge steel, they have a load capacity up to 1 ton. The frame extends 48 inches above the deck to provide sturdy support. The large deck accommodates multiple sheets or products up to 9 inches thick, and it's dual-sided so you can transport more materials in one trip. 1-inch retaining lips prevent material from slipping, while the ends of the A-frame panel trucks are unlipped to easily slide materials on and off the trucks. They're equipped with 2 swivel and 2 rigid non-marking casters. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.